Good morning, children. So today we will start exercise 2.4 and here first question is Amina thinks of a number and so on. We have to find out that number. Okay. So question is Amina think of a number and subtract 5 by 2 from it. She think of a number means let the number be x. Okay. She think of a number and subtract 5 by 2 from it. Now next line, she subtracted 5 by 2 from this number. Okay. So next, she multiply the result by 8. This one result she multiply by 8. Now result now obtained is 3 times the same number. Now result which is obtained is equal to 3 times the number she supposed. Got? Now what we will do here, we will just distribute this 8 with both. So I can write it 8x minus 5 by 2 into 8 is equals to 3x. So 2 4s are 8. So this is 8x minus 5 4s are 20 is equals to 3x. Okay. Now variable together 8x minus 3x. This is transpose and this one will goes here. It will become plus 20. Okay. So 8x minus 3x is 5x is equals to 20. So here our number is x is equals to 20 by 5. 5 4s are 20. So x is equals to 4. Okay. Now see the third one. Third question is sum of 2-digit number is 9. Okay. Sum of digits of 2-digit number is 9. When we interchange the digit, it is found that resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. What is that number? So first of all, what we have to do, see, we have a 2-digit number, so it can be anything, suppose 26, whatever it is, but these digits, addition of this digit should be here, 9 is given, so I can take it 3 also. It can be 3 plus 6. It can be 4 plus 5. It can be 45. It can be 54, 63, anything. But the digit, sum of the digit is 9 given here. Okay. First thing. Second thing, suppose I have this 36. So this is 1's digit. This is 10's digit. Everybody knows this. Now, if we have find out the values, we find out the place values. So how we will find out the place value of 36? 6 is at 1, so it will be 6 into 1. And see, this 3 is at 10, so 3 into 10. Its place value is 10. We used to multiply with its place value. So it is 30. Now when we will add this number, we will get 36. Okay. Same like that we have to do here, but with the help of a variable. Okay. So let us start. So first of all, what we will do for making 2-digit number, we need 1's digit and 10's digit. So first of all, I am supposing let 1's digit be x. Got? And then 10's digit will be sum of 2 digit is given 9. 1 is x, then another one will be 9 minus x. Understood? Now what we have to do? We have to write down the number. Means what number we will get from here. So how we can get the number? By, see, with the 10's place digit, we will multiply with the 10. 10 into 9 minus x. And 1's digit will multiply with 1's. So no need to multiply it. It will remain same. Okay, so now when we will solve it, 90 minus 10x plus x. So 90 will remain same and it will become 9x. Okay, so this is our original number. Okay, now next thing what it is saying, that when we interchange the digits, it is found that resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. Now we have to interchange the digit. After interchanging the digits, okay, when we will interchange the digit, ones and tens digit will be interchanged. Their place value will interchange. Means, see here, now tens digit will be x1 and ones digit will become which one is at tens place after interchanging. Now it will become 10x plus 9 minus x. 10x minus x is 9x plus 9. This is after interchanging. This number is what we get after interchanging. Now, according to the question, when we interchange the digit, it is found that resulting new number. What is the resulting new number? 9x plus 9. The resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. So what was the original number? That is 90 minus 9x. This is the original number. When this one will be added with 27, it will be equal to this one number. Okay. So now this is the equation which we have to solve. Now let us solve it. 9x plus 9 is equals to 90 minus 9x plus 27. Okay. Now first of all, this 90 plus 27 we will write together and this variable leave like this and this will remain same. Now when we will add it, it will become 117 minus 9x, 9x plus 9. So 9x plus 9x, this one 9x I have shifted here. 117 minus 9, this one 9 I have shifted this side. Now here it is 18x, here it will become 108. Okay. Now we will solve them by reducing. Okay. So first of all I am dividing it with 6. 6 3s are 18. Okay. 6 1s are 6 8s are 48. Now again it will be reducible. 3 6 are 18. This is. So the value of x is 6 over here. Okay. Now we have to find out the number we have to find out. Okay. So first one which we have taken the original number, that is 90 minus 9x. 90 minus 9x. So 90 minus 9 into 6. So it is 90 minus 54. This is 36. Understood? The number is 36. Okay.